Red coral. How to save our environment? Red coral indirectly contributes to the protection of the environment through its role in promoting sustainable practices in the harvesting and trade of coral. By raising awareness about the importance of preserving coral reefs and promoting responsible sourcing methods, individuals and organizations involved in the red coral industry help mitigate overexploitation and habitat destruction. Additionally, efforts to conserve coral reefs where red coral is naturally found contribute to the preservation of marine biodiversity and ecosystems. Therefore, supporting sustainable practices in the red coral trade indirectly aids in safeguarding the environment and promoting the health of coral reef ecosystems. Do you know? 1. How can sustainable harvesting methods benefit red coral populations? 2. What are the environmental impacts of irresponsible red coral harvesting? 3. Explore the relationship between red coral and marine biodiversity conservation. 4. Discuss the role of regulations and policies in ensuring sustainable trade of red coral. 5. How do cultural beliefs influence the demand for red coral, and how does this impact conservation efforts? 6. Investigate initiatives aimed at raising awareness about the importance of preserving red coral reefs. 7. What are some alternative materials or practices that could reduce the demand for harvested red coral? 8. Analyze the economic significance of red coral conservation for coastal communities. 9. How can consumer awareness campaigns influence the sustainable trade of red coral? 10. Discuss the potential long-term consequences of declining red coral populations on marine ecosystems. 11. Explore innovative technologies or approaches for monitoring red coral populations and enforcing conservation measures. 12. What role do scientific research and monitoring play in understanding the health of red coral reefs? 13. How can international collaboration help address the global challenges facing red coral conservation? 14. Investigate the cultural and historical significance of red coral and its implications for conservation efforts. 15. How do climate change and ocean acidification threaten red coral reefs, and what can be done to mitigate these impacts? 16. Discuss the ethical considerations surrounding the trade and use of red coral in jewelry and traditional practices. 17. Explore success stories of community-led conservation initiatives focused on red coral reefs. 18. How can sustainable tourism practices support the conservation of red coral reefs? 19. Analyze the effectiveness of certification schemes in promoting sustainable red coral harvesting. 20. Discuss the potential for restoration and rehabilitation efforts to enhance red coral reef resilience in the face of environmental challenges. Thank you for watching.